Baby back line.
That's silly.
Sorry. Come here. Sorry, come over here. Sorry, come over here. Hi, Shell. Hi, Shell. That's not fun. Hi, Shell.
Mom, Cece has Dad's new camera.
No, it's already broken.
Hey, FunAwesome ninjas. So, I just made up a recipe. This is what it is. Yummy food. Yummy food. Please subscribe.
Hello. How are you doing? I'm new. You can see that because you don't really know me. I think I just pressed these keys. Bye. Hey!
Keep videoing. Keep videoing. Keep videoing. 2, 1. Ah! Keep videoing. Keep videoing. 2, 1.
Kelly, you're back. Of course I'm back. Why wouldn't I be? I thought we would come to pick you up. Oh no. That's ridiculous. I can fly.
It's a worm. Oh, it's Cece. Whoa. Hey. Hey. 1, 2, 3.
It's a boy! You guessed it!
Way to go out with a bang! Hey, awesome! Awesome! Oh, Jack,
He's
I'm
a
happy for
football
you, buddy. You
player.
don't have to be the only boy in the family.
Yay!
Tell
It's
it's Grandma. Grandma's on the phone. Can you say hi?
Hi, Grandma.
Tell her what happened today.
What are we gonna have, Cece?
A boy.
Oh, boy, you're going to have a little brother. Is that exciting?
Yeah, a baby.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a week and a half. No, yeah, it's coming up on 2 weeks Saturday. Let's see. Oh. Oh my goodness. Gender reveal and the loose tooth. Let's see the gap.
Yay.
Oh my goodness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
FunAwesome, FunAwesome.